I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for each and every one of us to be together again today. And of course, guys, just like you guys have known, yesterday we started a new topic, and which is on spike detector. Okay, how we can detect spikes on our chart whenever we are trading boom and crash. Okay, this is very important. In case you guys don't know, spikes has been the major issue we usually have, most especially for newbies that loves trading the normal trend. Okay, the only thing that get them scared is the issue of spikes. Okay, because when spikes happen, it happens suddenly, and of course it can wipe out the whole of your accounts. But if you understand how it works and how you can know where it will spike from, then definitely you can avoid it. Okay, so these are some of the things that we've been trying to check out since my last video, and of course we will build on it today. Okay, we will build on it today. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out how we can detect spike. Okay, and I have it here as spike detector, and of course let's see how to go about it. Okay, there is one thing I need you to know. Okay, and first we will be focusing on boom first, and probably tomorrow we will be checking out crash so that we will know how to go about it successfully. Your trend is very important. Okay, your trend is very important. But before we discuss about the trend, I would like you to know that the spikes in boom usually happen around the support zone. Okay, it usually happen around the support zone. Okay, so this is very important. So that is why your support zone is very important. If you know how to identify the support zone, then you are good to go. So it usually happen around the support zone, and in most cases, for you to enjoy the aspect of detecting all the spikes, okay, you should make sure you are within the right trend. Okay, how do you know the right trend? For boom, it is going to be when the market is going on uptrend. Okay, that is when you will be having so many spikes happening around there. Okay, all the support zones are very important at that point. Okay, all the support zones are very important, because at that point most of the support zones will obey the price action. At that point they will obey it, and it is most likely we have spikes happening around there because the market is in favor, the trend of the market is in its favor at that particular time. So let's quickly go straight to the chart to see what I am trying to explain to you guys right here. Okay, remember we are focusing on boom today. So let's see, let me go to boom. Okay, let me take it back to 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is boom 1000. Check it out, the market is on downtrend around there. From this region, from here, it started the downtrend around here. From here to here, it's on downtrend. It's only spiked once. You can see all the bearish candles, it's only spiked once, and this is the spike. It's a very small one. You will hardly notice it. Okay, you will hardly notice it. So you can imagine you milking the market from here to here with just a single spike. How many candles? This is about 95 candles. Okay, you can imagine, guys, 95 candles. But now compare it to this. Okay, compare it to this. This is when the market is on uptrend. Okay, this is when the market is on uptrend. You can see it. We had so many spikes happening around here compared to when the market was on downtrend. Okay, we only have few spikes happening around there. You can imagine 94 candles without with just a very small spike. Okay, you can imagine, guys, compared to this where we have so many spikes happening around there. We had so many spikes happening around there, and this is as a result of the fact that the market is in its trend. Okay, this is the spiky trend, that is the uptrend. Okay, and if you should notice, it happened around the support zone. Here is a support zone, it happened. Here is another one, it happened. It got there again and spiked up again, because if you should check it out, it is still within the same support zone. And here is another support zone, and it spiked up again. So at this stage, every support zones are very, very important. Okay, because the market is on uptrend at that particular point. So you shouldn't even think of selling at this point within this region. You shouldn't think of selling boom within this region, because if you do so, it is most likely you get trapped in the market, and you may it's possible for you to lose all your capital within this period. Okay, this is the best time to sell when the market is on downtrend, but this is a wrong time to sell, okay, when the market is on uptrend. Okay, it is a wrong time to sell when the market is on uptrend. Okay, so that is very, very important. And of course, guys, within this period, this is the best time you can trade the spikes. Okay, and of course, with this you can easily avoid the spike. Okay, the reason is, okay, let's check out this. Okay, when probably you came into the market and you notice that the market is on uptrend, then you should know that, okay, this is not the best time for me to trade this particular asset called boom 1000, because it is on uptrend. So it is most likely we have more spikes happening around it. Except if I am very good in spikes trading, then I should take advantage of the uptrend and trade the spikes around here. All I just need to do is just to focus my attention on all the support zones, and that way I will benefit from all the spikes that are happening around there. But the best time for me to sell boom is when the market is on downtrend. It has got into a major resistance zone and it is already going down, and of course I've gotten my sell signal right here, so I already know that the market, and my flag is already showing, my red flag is already showing around it. I already know that the market is going on downtrend. So even if there's going to be spikes in between here, it's going to be small ones, or it won't be as much as this. So, and definitely the market will still go down till the end of the trend. Okay, so definitely I can come in here and sell till the very end of the trend. So that is one beautiful thing about this. So this is something that you should take note of. Okay, when the market is on uptrend for boom, we usually have spikes happening around there. We have more spikes happening around there compared to when the market is on downtrend. Okay, and at that point when the market is on uptrend, now all the support zones are very, very important. Okay, all the support zones are very, very important, because we are most likely to have spikes happening around there. Okay, guys, so guys, I want you to go back to your chart and practice this, and make sure you share your results with me. You know I love to see your results. Okay, so when you practice this, you can do that on boom 1000, boom 500, and boom 300. They are all the same. Okay, so just that the volatility level is what makes them different. Okay, so that is it. So you can practice practice this strategy on any of these assets. Okay, if one is not in the right direction, the others will be in the right direction. So you can check that out and use it to milk the market successfully. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God